If you want to try Crunch Munch Kimchi, here's the recipe for Radish Kimchi, KKakdugi. Let's prepare 2 radishes, 1½ cup of salt, 1/4 cup of fermented salty anchovies called 멸치액젓, 1/4 Korean pear, 1 onion, 200 ml of dried anchovy-based broth, 1/4 cup of corn syrup, 1/4 cup of plum extract, 1½ tablespoon of ginger extract, 1/4 cup of fermented salty shrimps, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of minced garlic, 3/4 cup of chili powder called 고춧가루. Cut radish into about 1-inch cubes and sprinkle salt over top and mix together. Set aside for 1 hour. Add fermented salty anchovies, Korean pear, onion, plum extract, ginger extract, fermented salty shrimps, garlic, sugar, and dried anchovy-based broth to a blender and grind it all. One hour later, drain the salted radish. Do not rinse the radish. Put drained radish into a large bowl and mix with chili powder. Add blended seasoning and mix well. Add corn syrup to make it more appetizing. Let it ferment by keeping it outside in the shade for 2 days, and then keep it in the refrigerator. 5 days later, ready to eat. Can you hear the sound? Crunch munch, crunch munch. This crunch cubes of radish goes well as a side for grilled meats and Korean soups.